Hello, this is Blue Leader, and we're here in Murrieta, California, where they have a total of 12 superchargers. Let me give you my initial impressions of the supercharger and the surrounding area. Initial thoughts. First thought, you're in a really nice shopping center. I think we've seen these shopping centers before all across North America. But what I like about this place is that on Sundays, while you supercharge, they do have a nice farmer's market, so you could get your local produce and support the local farmers and all that cool stuff. Initial feelings, nothing outstanding, but this is a nice, peaceful area, which leads right to initial concerns. Safe, very close to suburban life. So when you come here, you're gonna get your needs met in a safe, peaceful place that has a lot of stuff for your needs. Thank you so much. Please keep supporting the channel by hitting the like and subscribe. And if you know anyone that wants to hang with us, make sure you share the content over with them. Thanks a lot, and hang tight for the guest review.
The area is safe, it's clean, it's nice. I can't say too much bad about Murrieta. There's like some pudding places, some food places, so you can chill.
Do you have any favorite places to eat or drink while you supercharge?
Honestly, I just watch a movie or go on YouTube, while I'm in my car. So.
What do you watch when you're in your car chilling and watching YouTube?
I watch a lot of basketball, so basketball content's my thing.
If this place didn't have a supercharger, would you still come back to this parking lot?
Probably not, yeah, so.
How come?
Honestly, it's what brings me here. There's like a pet store around here, and that's about it, so yeah.
Do you drive your Tesla Model Y a lot?
I'm kind of like just for leisure. I work from home, and so it's really just to like get out the house and do stuff.
What's the furthest road trip you've taken your Tesla Model Y?
So today is actually going to be my first like big trip. I'm going from Murrieta to San Diego. Just hit a few spots, so.
Very good. It's your first road trip?
Yeah, today.
Well, congratulations, and I hope you enjoyed the ride.
Thank you.
Over time, do you plan to keep your Tesla Model Y?
I do, yeah. I bought it for the long term.
Now, what if you had to replace the battery? What would you be willing to pay to replace the cost of the battery?
I'm a new owner, so I can't really speak to what I expect to pay, but I mean, I'd be willing to pay, a few thousand. So.
Very cool. Thank you so much for your time. Do you have any final words of wisdom for the people out there?
Buy accessories. Make sure you clean up the car, take care of it, stuff like that.
Very cool. Thank you so much, okay?
Thank you.
Jeremiah, I'm wondering, what do you think about Elon Musk?
He's okay. I wouldn't say I have a favorable opinion, but I'm just here for the car, so.